We're going to be teaching you about flooding and how you stay safe during a flood. Did you know that flooding has killed more people than any other natural disaster in the United States? This is serious. We need to know how to stay safe during a flood. We will teach you some flash flooding safety tips. Nearly half of the people who died in the flood died in their vehicles. This tells me that people are not safe in their cars when it's raining that hard. Right. People think they can drive through puddles safely, but they can't. Only 12 inches of water can carry away a vehicle. If you see that the road is covered in water, do not try to drive through it. Turn around and don't drown. If the roadway is covered with water, you don't even know if the road's still there.
It's true, the road can have washed away and you can't see it.
The safest thing you can do is not drive during a heavy rainstorm.
If you have to get on the road, make sure that you don't drive through any water.
Maybe you can go a different way.
Arrive alive, don't drive through the water.
Also, don't try to walk through the water.
Only 6 inches of water can knock a person off their feet.
It doesn't sound very deep, but when moving water is powerful.
This is not a still swimming pool, this is moving water.
It's better to be safe than sorry. You need to know the difference between a flash flood watch and a flash flood warning. A flash flood watch means a flood could be possible. Flash flood warning means flooding is happening now, so stay put. Before a flash flood happens, you need to be prepared. You should have a kit of materials gathered and ready. What should you put in this kit? Canned food and a can opener. What about bottles of clean water? Yes, definitely. Also a first aid kit. Don't forget protective clothing like gloves and rain jackets. Kids should not play around by storm, rains, and moving water. You should stay inside until it's safe to go out.